Apple. Not this one, this one. Apple is one of those tech startups that has ruled the tech industry since years. It is one of the most valued tech company at $2.08 trillion, which is more than most countries' GDPs, by the way. And I'll tell you a secret. Come closer. What if I tell you that there is a secret formula for whatever Apple has achieved? And that's what we're talking in today's video. So keep watching the video till the end to know what this secret growth formula is like. Let's move into the video. Part 1. Create a hype. Apple's products are never launched directly into the market or just through advertisements. It all starts with a launch event. For those of you who don't know, Apple has a launch event every single year where the CEO of Apple, Tim Cook, and the core team presents and launches Apple's products. And that's where the formula starts. Every single launch event starts with a beautifully shot cinematic video that Apple creates. The purpose of the video is just to set a theme for the presentation and mainly shows how far Apple has reached. But the main purpose of the event is to create hype. It's to create FOMO, the fear of missing out in people's brain, thinking that
shit, I don't have the best phone in the market, man.
And the outcome? Every single iPhone is a groundbreaking success for Apple. They just highlight all the beautiful, good, aesthetic sides of products. No one talks about RAM and storage in that. They aren't fancy anymore. Mainly the look side of things. Retina display, camera, edges, and all the aesthetic sides of iPhone. That mainly draws the attention of all the viewers and empties your pockets.
पैसा ही पैसा होगा.
Part 2. Selling emotions. Every single advertisement that Apple shoots is cinematically shot, not to tell you, iPhone le lo, iPhone le lo. No. Instead, look at this one. It has the motive to show you the value of your own privacy online. At the end of the ad, it has an underlying message that Apple respects your privacy and protects it. This trick is not just used by Apple but also by Nike. They make you feel motivated, important, secure, and show them that their products are capable of making you feel the same. They don't sell the products, they sell themselves as brands. They associate emotions with their brand. Apple is known for performance, creativity, and smartness. For example, when revealing the Apple Watch, Tim Cook used the word beautiful 7 times in the same segment. This is either bad public speaking or excellent marketing. When you hear this repetitive exaggeration, you actually feel that the watch was actually beautiful. And that's how Apple makes you believe that their products are so cool. Many people complain that Apple's products are really overpriced. But if you study why all their products are actually successful and still run in the market, then I feel this is the reason. Sell emotions. Part 3. Build great products. Okay, fine. If you use all the rules for good marketing, or maybe even gods come down to earth and give you the secret formula of marketing, will you be able to sell shit? What? Hell no. You need a brilliant product to back all the hype that you have created through marketing. And without any doubt, Apple has done that. Apple's products are one of the most quality products that you'll find in the market. I won't comment anything about being overpriced, but we have to agree that they are one of the best products in the market. One more thing about Apple is that their products are actually different and creative than other products in the market. Apple brought the ecosystem trend to the market, which means if you have multiple Apple devices, you can seamlessly work through them and they all are connected to do certain tasks. This trait of the company has directly been passed on through the legendary Steve Jobs. For example, the iMac. When everyone was mad behind Windows and the Windows computer, Apple brought uniqueness by bringing colors to the computers. Seriously, who thinks of bringing colors to computers? But it worked, and that's company's logo now. Think different, and that's what you can learn from Apple. Put in the most hard work and the most creative efforts in order to make it to the best and constantly improve with time and build great products through your own creativity. On that note, let's end this video here. Hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. I'll see you guys in the next one. That's Harthak Vijay signing off.